The upcoming Nothing Phone 2 is set to launch on July 11th across various markets, including Europe. Unlike the Phone 1, which featured a Snapdragon 7 series chip, the Phone 2 will feature a powerful Snapdragon 8 series SoC. Consequently, the new phone is expected to come with a higher price tag. A recent report from a French publication has unveiled the pricing details for the two available configurations specifically tailored for the European market. According to the report, the Nothing Phone 2 will come in two options in the European market. Its 8GB RAM plus 256GB variant will be priced at €729, whereas the higher 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage edition will cost €849. Though the publication is clear about the storage options, it is unclear about the RAM capacities of both models. To recall, the Nothing Phone 1, which came in an 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage version, was priced at €469 at launch. Like the predecessor model, the Phone 2 will come in white and black color options. Nothing Phone 2 specifications. Reports have revealed that the Nothing Phone 2 will feature a 6.7-inch AMOLED display. The screen will probably support an FHD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and an in-screen fingerprint sensor. The device will run on the Nothing OS 2.0 based Android 13. Nothing has confirmed that the Phone 2 users will get 3 years of Android OS upgrades and 4 years of security updates. Under the hood, the Phone 2 will feature the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chips. It appears that the device will ship with LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. It is confirmed to house a 4,700 mAh battery. At present, there is no information available on the fast charging and camera capabilities of the Phone 2.